Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Thank you so much for inviting me to this event. Uh, I will keep it brief, and unfortunately, I have to speak in English, so please forgive me. So it's a profound honor to be invited to the launch of Ms. Zubia Anwar's book, Aksezat, a luminous work that conveys perennial wisdom across generations. When I read it the first time, I knew that I was holding a treasure worth sharing and spreading, which is what makes a librarian's life worth living. Her words connect the particular with the universal, reach into the heart, stir the mind, and awaken the soul. The book reveals eternal truths about the human spirit, our shared human condition, and the soul's timeless journey. It has already changed many lives and will continue to do so in whichever culture it is read because its message is timely and timeless. I feel deeply blessed to have discovered it and am committed to making it part of the New York Public Library system when I return back home. I left Pakistan 30 years ago and worked as a librarian in New York. Now my journey has come full circle, and my wife, Shazia, and herself a devoted librarian and teacher in New York, and I dream of returning to Pakistan with the knowledge and experience gathered over 3 decades of travel and learning. We hope to plant the seeds of knowledge by building schools and libraries in our motherland. It is our heartfelt wish to give back, to uplift, and to share all that we have been privileged to learn along the way. In final words, her book reminds me of Rumi's immortal words: "Come, whoever you are, wanderer, worshipper, lover of leaving. Come even if you have broken your vows 1,000 times. Come and come again. Ours is not a caravan of despair." Thank you very much.